Hey there, I wanted to show you how to use WP All Import if we are importing orders without an actual product or products. So I'm going to go pick my import orders file here and upload it, and I'm going to go and select orders. And the key thing we want to do, we're going to continue after this one. We want to go down to the order items here, and this is the products tab. Instead of say get data from existing products, we're going to say manually import product order data and try not to match to existing products. So we can just give this like a placeholder, like I put this placeholder number here based on the order number, and just titled it like this. So then I think in here, this is an example of one of these that's been imported. I don't know if it's even showing the product at all actually, but this way it's going to prevent that error that we were getting. This is actually from the docs here. It says order skipped due to customer not found. So, or I mean this not that order. It was order skipped due to product not found is the one I was getting. So that helps to prevent that from happening. And yeah, so that's it.